Matt here from Crooks Cabinet Makers. Today I'm going to be demonstrating my pocket hole jig and this little pocket hole jig that I picked up. So the way to set these up, you just got to set this one just short of the actual base there. Right, so I'm just going to set this up in my workshop drill. I put that on the middle, so those two brackets come to the middle. I'll usually drill a little bit and ease it off. That just makes it easier for drilling. So take that off, give it a little tap, and there we go. Perfect. Just come up just short of those two pieces there. And away you go. I can feel the joint, but really minimal. So let's see how well that sort of levels up. There is a slight gap, but actually it's very, very good. So recently I picked up this pocket hole jig. Okay, so how do we set this one up? So that pushes through with just enough to cut the clearance hole. Move that indentation to the 3/4 mark, and then you're ready to go. Simply put that on there like that. You may have noticed there was a slight wobble on that. I have noticed that this is slightly more difficult. Even when you clamp it pretty hard, it's slightly more difficult to remain stable. As a result, we've got a slightly less tidy hole there, but I'm sure that's not the end of the world. So both of these are pulled up really nicely. They're very, very flush across the joint there. And the face side of them is very good as well. If we have a look at the one I just done, and that's... it's okay, it could be better. So as for strength testing, not bad, not bad. Right, so I hope you like watching my little rundown of how to use the old pocket jigs and how effective they are. I'm pretty confident that pocket hole jig is a very strong way to join pieces of wood, especially as it's integrated with other components of the furniture you're building. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and stay safe in the workshop.